what we're looking for too is when we're hitting shots like this around the greens, you know, a lot of the times you'll hit it fat into the bunker or blade it over the green. The way you save shots is giving yourself a putt. If you can't give yourself a putt, you know, it's very difficult to make pars, and then you're looking at bogeys and double bogeys, and that's what we're trying to avoid with these sort of shots, is giving ourselves, you know, a 10-footer, a 15-footer, even a 20-footer is better than chipping it into the bunker. That was good there. Very good. What club you got there? Pitching with? Okay. Good.
If I could do that every time. No, seriously, that's a huge help.
And you're giving yourself a pretty bad lie there, so that's good. That's good practice for the bad lies. Good. And another thing too you can do is, you know, open the club face just a little bit more. Try that again. And that'll actually, because when you come down to the ball in thick rough, the rough is going to try and grab this hosel down here, and it's going to want to spin that club over and close it. So you can always allow for a little bit of an open club face, and that'll help you get square when you get to the ball as well. And that will also do that. It'll pop the ball up in the air a little bit more for you.
That's great.
That's one thing I want you to definitely experiment with is when you're practicing, try opening the face a little bit. Try you know, try some different shots around the greens. You know, throw a couple balls around. You know, do things you wouldn't normally do. You know, open the face wide and try swinging a couple and just see what happens. You know.
Now, on average, do most amateurs have it too closed rather than too open?
I would say the typical amateur probably hits a lot of shots, especially pitch shots, maybe more thin, maybe fat, you know, something like that. You know, that's probably the typical miss for an amateur. You know, they either try to swing too hard or, you know, try to overcompensate and hit a big flop shot and they get way under it, and you see them hit it, you know, 5 feet in front of them.
I've done that many times.
Does anybody have any questions?